What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick $5. Just doing these simple steps. All right, now you see here, I'm on this site Earnably, and I have 820 points. That's equivalent to $8.20. But I'm going to cash out $5. But just to show you what I do on this site, very simple routine. This is the home page. You know, when you log in, you know, create your account, all that stuff. This is the home page you're on. First thing I do, I go to Earn. I go to Daily Surveys. All right. Now, when I get to daily surveys, I always start here with your surveys. You know, they pay really good, like about 70 to 80 cents, you know, per survey. I do theorem reach a little bit. You do get disqualification points for doing theorem reach, all right? So there's sometimes when I do your surveys and I'll try 2 and I might disqualify for them. So I'll jump over and do, you know, maybe like 5 of these, you know, get disqualification points. But a lot of times these theorem reach surveys are really easy to qualify for. So mainly, like I said, your surveys, then do theorem reach. Then I go back to the home page. All right. And this is where, you know, your money piles up, you know, fast and quick, because I'll jump over to aggregate rewards and I'll do some of these. And I'm going to show you some of the offers they have in here, because this is basically just an offer wall. And a lot of the offer that they have in here are very easy to do. Right here. Are you paying for life insurance? Get the lowest rate without an exam. Sign up today. All you have to do is sign up with valid information and you'll get 240 points. All right, now I'm just kind of scrolling down, look at each one of these. Let me see. Right here, can you guess all these car logos? Complete the quiz with a 100% score. You'll get 36 points. Right here, Walmart gift card. Complete registration with valid email. Basically, all you're doing is giving them an email, and for doing that, you'll get 14 cents. You know what I'm saying? It's just that easy. Then right here, you look at this. AARP rewards. Register and confirm phone number with via text message. Now the thing is, you might not even need this, but just registering and confirming your phone number, you could still get that 180 points. So that's how easy it is just to rack up points. Just with these little 3 right here, you're gonna make almost $3. You know what I'm saying? Like a little bit over 2. So just, you know, doing that in your surveys, you will make a very quick $5. And that's just one of the offer walls that I showed you in aggregate rewards. But they have other ones that you can do. They also have ads in media. A lot of times I like to do the hideout TV and just let videos play, and I get 0.7 points per 3 videos that play. So your money can really add up fast with this site. And one cool thing about this, as far as the redemption section, that you can cash out at a minimum of $1. All right, and you see here the different options they have: PayPal, Amazon, Walmart. They got a few restaurants down here as well, some other stores. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of showing you what they have. There's something on here you would definitely like. Trust me, there's plenty of options. But I'm going to show you PayPal right here. I'll show you the different things you can get. So, like I said, you can cash out at a minimum of $1, and you can go up to $100. The higher you get, when you get to these 50 into 100 points, you can get a discount on your cash out. And they also have this auto redeem feature, but just, you know, keep in mind there's a 1% fee. So the auto redeem means basically as soon as I get 125, if I click auto redeem for this $1, as soon as I get 125 points, it's just going to auto redeem. But like I said, it's a 1% fee, so I don't really even do that. I mean, I kind of think it's, you know, kind of weird that you're going to charge me to auto redeem. But anyway, like I said, I have $8.20. I can't cash out all of that, but I can cash out $5. And it's very simple. All I click on is redeem now. And you'll see right here at the top, you just redeem for $5, 500 points. When you have your email and all that kind of stuff in there, you don't need to, like, you know, go over it again. It's already in there. So very simple. Now it bounces back down to 320. You used to get paid the same day. I don't have to wait no more than 24 hours to get my payment. So this is a site I've been using for a long time. I make really good money with it. Pretty much, you know, $5 a day. Like I said, just doing the offers and doing those surveys, you're going to be straight. You know, your surveys, theorem reach, and aggregate media alone will make you a quick $5. So I highly encourage you guys to sign up for this site. The link to it is in the description. Sign up today, and always remember, every penny counts.